Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna get a little weird. Today I'm gonna be eating my diamond play button. Over here we have the diamond play button, and over here is this awesome mold that we made of it. I recently made a video of making this mold, so I'll link to it down below, so if you missed that video you can check it out. But it is so cool and it's so detailed, and I asked you guys what kind of foods you would like to see me try to make in here, and so that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. This silicone mold is massive. I have never made a silicone mold this big or used one. We use the highest quality silicone, which is also food safe, to make it, so you can actually bake with this. I can put this in the oven. You can also freeze it because it's super durable, so any type of liquid. We're just gonna try some stuff. So we are not gonna try making one edible thing today. We're gonna be making a bunch of things. We're just gonna try things, and they were things that you suggested. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to show some support, please hit subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I am so excited to make food in here. The foodie in me is just like, I don't know what that, I don't know how to put that into words. It's just the emoji this. Now, without further ado, let's make our first edible play button. I set the diamond play button off to the side. It is safe over there, and the first thing that I'm gonna try to make in this mold is a cake. You guys requested that I try to make a cake. I also have a little helper over here, so if you see a cute little dog face pop up, she's just keeping me company. She's taking a snooze. The cake that I'm gonna make is a pound cake. I'm actually just using a box cake. I poured 2 boxes in this bowl. I just have a feeling that this mold is gonna take a lot to fill, so I'm gonna have plenty of cake batter. In front of me in this big bowl is all of the dry ingredients mixed together already. Then I just need to add butter. This is at room temperature. I'm just gonna scoop it in. Because it's double the recipe, we're gonna be adding 4 eggs. Now add the water. This bowl is really full, so I'm gonna mix it on a low speed so it doesn't fly everywhere. Doesn't that smell so good? Sometimes I wish I had a dog nose. Like, this already smells delicious, but then it could smell even better. Yes. All right, cake batter is ready. Now we're gonna pour it in here, and because it's a silicone mold, it isn't metal, it isn't the best conductor of heat, so I do a method called slow baking. Every time I use a silicone mold, I slow bake it. So you reduce the temperature and you bake for longer. So I'm gonna reduce the temperature in the oven to be about 325, and who knows how long a cake this large is gonna take. It may take an hour, may take 2 hours. We shall see. I'm also going to place it on top of a baking tray so that it stays flat in the oven. I'm gonna spray it just like you would a regular cake pan. Now we're gonna pour this bad mamma jamma in here. Here we go. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, that's good, that's good. I'm leaving a little bit of room so it can rise. I'm gonna give it some taps, tap, tap, tap. It's really loud, but it helps get all the little air bubbles out. Woo, this is so heavy. This is so heavy. This is just as heavy as the play button. Oh my gosh. Okay, in we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let the slow bake begin. I just took the cake out of the oven. It took like over 2 hours to bake. So to get it out, I'm just gonna flip this plate on top of here and then flip it over. Gosh, workout. The thing I like about silicone molds is you can just like kind of bend them and it really loosens like cake or brownies, whatever's in there. The moment of truth, did it work? Ta-da! Oh my gosh! So this was my first attempt. Maybe in the future I will try a different cake and see what happens. Even though there's air bubbles, it is still a diamond play button cake, and it's time to eat it. All right, let's take our first bite. Here we go, Cuddy. Okay, let's see. It's like a little dry because it took so long to cook through, but diamonds taste good. I'm worried if I decorate it with icing, I'll lose some of the cool like geometric details on here. So I really love it to be just like a naked cake. Let's take one more bigger bite. That wasn't very big. This is the biggest bite I can take because this thing is so thick. This is a huge piece of cake. Usually I would level this in half and put a frosting layer in between, but overall this was a success. We got a baked diamond play button cake. I'm gonna try something different now. I wanna make something frozen. You guys wanted to see me make some sort of popsicle, so let's do it. For the popsicle, I wanted it to be a really cute color. I wanted a pink one. So I just got some pink lemonade, and this is super easy. I cleaned out the mold so there's not gonna be any crumbs in there, even though I don't think I would mind. If I was eating a popsicle and I got a little bit of cake in there, I don't mind. So first, I'm gonna set it on the tray. And I do this because when you carry the silicone mold, it bends and I don't want the liquid to fall out. When you freeze liquid, it usually expands, so I'm gonna play it safe here. I wonder if it's gonna freeze this color or if it's gonna get lighter. I don't know, I'm so excited. Now let's take it to the fridge. Oh shoot, oh no, half the battle of cookies gonna be getting there. Uh-oh, okay, I already spilled a little bit, so things are going really good. Oh, why would I do this on the table? I should have just done this in the freezer. This is just a terrible idea. I kind of made it to the freezer. This is a hot mess, but you know, you don't want it to be too full anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it. Let's open up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, go in there, go in there. Jumbo popsicles are so hard to transport. I would advise just pouring it right in there. Oops. Oh well, you live and you learn. We'll let that sit and freeze. Oh, look at that. This is such a cool color. It is so pretty. I got a little like cutting mat here. I'm gonna place it on top and then I'm gonna flip it over. It's popsicle. Cool time. Are you ready for a popsicle? 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Wow, look at this. All the details, you can see everything. Oh, I'm seriously obsessed. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna eat it now. Now I didn't have a popsicle stick that was big enough to hold this thing up, so I'm just gonna grab it. Because it's not just water, it doesn't freeze as hard, so you can take little bites. Oh, it's so good. It's sweet and it's tart and it's so delicious. Cookie, you've been good. You can have a lick. Here you go. Just a little, just a little. Okay. How is it? Sweet and sour? I'm not really a fan of the sweet and sour. If I was a kid and my parents could say I could have one popsicle, I'd be like, yeah, sure, I'll take this one. Yeah, no, yeah, just one. This tastes delicious, but let's try making some shave ice. I've never done this before. This is not the machine for it, obviously. This is a little like fruit peeler. You could probably look up life hacks. I did not look this up. I'm just having some fun today. So I'm just gonna try it. Oh, wow. Well, okay, we gotta hold you in place. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. It just wobbles. I just gotta put it down here. Here, let's get the play button. Oh yeah. This is like really therapeutic right now. I like got a bowl out thinking I'd use this, and I'm just gonna eat it right off the play button. So good. This was a great idea. This is like the bread bowl of popsicles. We're just gonna carve out the middle. Now it's starting to soften up just a little bit. And now you can just really, with your spoon, look at that. This should definitely be a thing. I've eaten so much shave ice, but they've never had pink lemonade. I've lost my dog Cookie. She's jumped down and I've got to go find her. And then I'm gonna make one more treat. I found Cookie, I put her safely away. She's hanging out with Mo in the other room because we're gonna be making and working with chocolate. I don't know about you guys, but I love dark chocolate. That is my favorite kind of chocolate. Let me know in the comments below whether you like milk chocolate or dark chocolate better. My taste buds actually changed. Probably like 5 years ago, I liked milk chocolate, and now I love dark chocolate. I don't get taste buds. It's probably science, I don't know. So I roughly eyeballed it. This is a guesstimation of how much chocolate I'll need, but I thought, I'm looking at it and I'm going, look at this, it's so big. And I could like fit in here pretty good. This is not an exact calculation, just a guess. I'm gonna open up the chocolates, break them up a little bit, cut them up, and put them in this bowl. I kind of wish that YouTube would have sent me a play button just made out of chocolate. Congratulations on reaching 10,000,001 subscribers. I would be okay with that. I would actually be really excited about that. You could break it up with your hands. Oh, no, I can't. I'm gonna use a knife. Okay, gotcha. See, yeah, I need to stand up a little bit. I need a little bit of leverage. This is so much chocolate. Then I'm gonna do this to the rest of my chocolate. Wow, this is a lot of chocolate. So now I have to melt it, and to melt a quantity like this, I'm gonna do it over the stove. You can either do it over the stove or use microwave, but I'm gonna put this on a double boiler. A double boiler is a pot on the stove with a little bit of water and then a heat-safe bowl on top, and it slowly heats it. It kind of like steams heats it from the bottom. Whereas if I was gonna microwave all this, I might end up burning it. Look what's happening. Oh yes, oh yes. We are halfway there, and the hardest part is not to eat this right now. It's like a hot chocolate fondue right now, and I really want to dip some bananas and strawberries in here right now, but I'm holding off. I have a mission today. I need to make a chocolate diamond play button. Stay focused. We are ready. This chocolate has melted. Oh, look at that steam. That's the kind of spa I want to go to. This is like a chocolate facial, very fancy. It's at the Rose Spa. Let's go make a chocolate diamond play button. I'm gonna be very careful. The chocolate is melted. I'm gonna pour it into the mold. Woo! Oh, this is so good. I want all the chocolate, so I'm gonna use a spatula, scrape down the sides. Tap, 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 tap. And now I'm just gonna let it sit out at room temperature to harden. I'm not gonna put it in the refrigerator or the freezer because it will harden faster there, but it will like bloom. It will change a different color, get a little hazy. You can see all the little air bubbles, they're coming out. Look at them, right there. Okay, I'm gonna take this out, and I have to be honest, I could not wait for this chocolate, so I put it in the fridge so it might look a little funny. Yep, okay, so it turned a little bit colored, but that's okay. This is incredible. We did it. Chocolate bar diamond play button achieved. I am gonna eat this. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so much chocolate. This is so thick, there's so much chocolate, it's almost like peanut butter. Okay, one more bite. Ah. Oh my gosh, that's too much. That was a huge bite. A big thank you to the 10 million of you who subscribed to make this possible and who suggested the different foods that I should make into a diamond play button. This was so much fun and delicious and messy, and I loved every minute of it. Alright, that does it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you would like to show some support, please hit subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright, thanks again, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you'd like to see. And if you'd like to see any other fun videos, you can click up here or here. Thanks again. Bye. I think I have chocolate in my teeth.